Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarjla. I'm the Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Often when we do infertility assessment, we prescribe something called as AMH testing. It's anti-Mullerian hormone and it's indicative of how your ovary is working. Is it overworked? Is it underworked? Is it functioning according to the age of the female patient is what we are trying to assess. So AMH is an indicative of your ovarian reserve if it's according to the age. I will now tell you how we measure the levels, what are the levels and what are they indicative of. So for a low AMH, guidelines are that it should be around anything from 0.5 to around 1.5 is what we are looking at to describe as low AMH. When we are looking at a normal range, we are talking about 1.5 to 4 is what we are looking at, the nanogram per mil. So this is something that is indicative that the AMH levels are normal in the female patient. Anything above 4 is indicative that the patient has PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Now let me tell you what this signifies for us when we are trying to decide the procedure, when we are trying to recommend the procedure that will help you in overcoming infertility. When it is low AMH, we also do something called as the antral follicular count examination. We do an ultrasonography for it, and day 2 and day 3 of a cycle is the approximate time when we get a clear picture. So if the AMH is low, what did I say, 0.5 to 1.5 is if the AMH is low, then the follicles inside the ovaries will also be very few. And by few I mean 1 or 2 on either side or maybe just one side. And that's when we call it as premature ovarian failure, especially if the woman is young, 30 years or younger. What happens here is, I'm not saying there is a gun on the head and treatment has to be that month itself, but it is also indicative that the treatment has to be hurried and the best protocol that will result in the highest chance of pregnancy has to be opted for. So that's low AMH level. When it is normal and the age of the patient is under 30, what did I say, 1.5 to 4, you have a little bit of flexibility. Maybe you can try naturally, maybe with just ovulation induction, studying of the growth of your eggs, you can try naturally. Maybe you can have an intrauterine insemination, also called as IUI, before going for IVF. But if the age is advanced, 35 or over, but the AMH levels are still normal, your AFC, antral follicular count, looks good, you can still go for something which will give you a higher success rate because your age is advanced. So when the age is over 35 or so, we recommend that they go for IVF because the egg quality also keeps coming down with advance in age. When it is high, 4 or above, I said is high, and that's indicative of PCOS. With an AFC ultrasonography, antral follicular count ultrasonography, we see that there is a polycystic ovarian pattern in the ovaries. There are too many follicles which are growing, they do not ovulate, it is very resistant to medications, we are not able to give you any success with trying with ovulation induction or IUI. The best thing to do would be to go for IVF. So when we give you medications, yes, there is a chance of OHSS, ovarian hyperstimulation, where the eggs, where the ovaries throw a lot of eggs and you get into something called as hyperstimulation. But this can be counteracted by not doing an embryo transfer in this cycle, letting your hormones calm down, letting the ovaries calm down and doing a transfer of the embryos in the next cycle. So AMH is a very powerful indicator of what treatment to give you definitely, but where you stand in this whole procedure list of treatment for infertility. Based on that and a correlation with the AFC ultrasonography, it's very, I will not say easy, but it's a good tool for a fertility specialist to decide what treatment will give you the best chance of success. If you want to know more, about what treatment is the best for you, where you stand with your AMH and other follicular levels, please feel free to contact us. We shall have a consultation together. Thank you.